Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the Village of Belvedere, here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, this is the home for sale. This is located in the Village of Belvedere. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. It is list priced at $305,000. The lanai does face east and the back of the home does face west. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That would be facing south and this would be facing north. Let's go in and take a look. The first thing I notice is the painted driveway. It's awesome. This is a wood-framed home. And it does have a 1.5 car garage. You can see the painted concrete continues here in the front patio area as well. The front patio does have screened in and glass windows as well. This is the side of the home. This would be the patio on the side of the home. You can see it's very neat and meticulous. The painted concrete does continue. Let's go inside and take a look. The first thing I notice is this gorgeous floor. That looks newly done. And this is a temperature control lanai. It has a mini split air conditioner. It has knockdown texture on the ceiling. I will include the specification sheet of this home. If you have any questions, please contact the listing agent, Nanette Elliott at Realty Executives. Very nice, very rare to find a control lanai, temperature control lanai in a patio villa here in the Villages. As we enter the home, I do see wood laminate floors. Here is the dining area. This home is very light and bright. Lots of updates to this home. It does have acoustic texture ceilings. I will video the specification sheet to give you the room dimensions. This is a colony patio villa. It does have a solar tube in the kitchen. Those appliances are newer. They're stainless appliances. It does have a gas range as well. Formica countertops. Very light and bright home. This home does have inside laundry as well. It's rare to find a patio villa with inside laundry and a temperature control lanai. Let's go out into the garage and take a look. The garage does have painted floors. It is a 1.5 car garage. It also has an electronic screen door. Those are very nice to have. You can fit the golf cart in on that side of the garage, as you see, and you can fit your car in on this side of the garage. The golf cart is being sold separately. That is the particulars on the golf cart. Let's go walk into the home and take a look. You can see the kitchen does have a 2-bowl sink, and it has brushed stainless hardware on the cabinets. We're walking back into the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. On the left you will see your guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. Those floors in the guest bathroom do look vinyl to me. Formica countertop in this bathroom. Solar tube, nice and light and bright. It does have a tub and shower module. It appears to be fiberglass or plastic. The laminate floors continue in the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. It does have acoustic texture ceiling. I believe that is a queen size bed to give you perspective on the size of this room. I will include the dimensions of the rooms by videoing the specification sheet. Sliding doors on the closet. This is the master bedroom. Laminate wood floors continue. Very light and bright. Acoustic texture ceiling. That does appear to be a queen size bed to give you perspective. Lots of room on either side of that bed. You do have a walk-in closet there and the master bathroom over on that side. Here is the walk-in master closet. Wood laminate floors continue. Does have wire shelves in the closet. And these closets do wrap around and go in the back a little bit. Nice, large walk-in closet on these colony patio villas. This is a wood-framed home. I do notice it does have plantation shutters. That is the master bathroom. Vinyl floors in the master bathroom. One sink. Light and bright. Solar tube right there. It does appear to have a 48-inch shower module that is plastic or fiberglass. Glass sliding doors as well. And it does have a commode space in the back. Let's take a walk to the kitchen, and I will video the specification sheet so you all have the particulars. Here we are panning off into the living and dining room area. Plantation shutters even on the sliding patio door. Very nice. Here's the specification sheet. I will video the specification sheet. Please contact Nanette Elliott if you have any questions. The price of the home is $305,000. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. Feel free to pause the video to read the specification sheet. It is located in the Village of Belvedere in the Villages, Florida. There are your room dimensions. Give you one last panoramic view of the kitchen area. Nice and neutral home. I'll walk back out to the street. One last look at the lanai area. Very mature landscaping on this home. Again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos and liking my videos. Feel free to make any comments. I do appreciate that. I will answer your comment. Thank you for watching. Take care, everybody. One last look at your home right there. Here in the Villages, Florida. 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. Take care, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my video. Thank you for joining me on this open house tour here in the Village of Belvedere, this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. Take care, everyone.